Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our second half of 2025 highlights. My name is Krishna Kumar, and I'm an Employee Central Payroll lead located in London. I work for EX3, a global SAP SuccessFactor partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancy specializing in implementing and supporting SuccessFactor with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I'll be reviewing some key release updates for Employee Central Payroll. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us at vrex3.com, or for current clients, reach out to your project manager or CSM. Let's begin by looking at our first highlights. So for the first highlight, the alumni access to payslip. The employee with the alumni role can now access the employee self-service on both the payroll information screen and the payroll information card in the latest people profile. This feature benefits HR and payroll administrators by minimizing their administrative tasks and lowering the costs associated with handling terminated employees. So as an addition, in the payroll information portlet, you have a specific permission category called alumni, which needs to be activated along with the self-service uh, category in order for the terminated employees to still have access to their payslip. Uh, the tenure, the time period for the employees to continue having the access would be based on their RBP permissions as well as on the business rules associated with that. Going to the next slide, this is an enhancement to the income tax declaration form for India. This is specific for India. The income tax declaration section in the end date was earlier defaulted to 31/12/999, the high end date, whereas with this new enhancement, the a new end date field is available to be filled in the tax declaration section of the employee profile page, uh, so that the accurate period of the employee can be captured, which they can claim their the HRA benefit as such. So this is specific for India. Proceeding to the next slide. This is a new report to automate the OAuth configuration. This report is delivered to increase the efficiency and to minimize the errors, making it valuable to the users who frequently deal with the OAuth configuration issue. So this report automates the entire OAuth 2.0 configuration, which is required to integrate Employee Central with Employee Central Payroll, which is capturing the recreating the technical users, the SAML2 configuration, the certificate mappings, and it also uploads the certificates to the trust manager. So it captures everything and it simplifies the process. The next slide is an enhancement to the managed payroll activities in the PCC. So this is there's a new RBP permission introduced to manage the access to the corresponding apps in the PCC for the manage payroll activities. Uh, Here, the users can use the manage off-cycle payroll app to manage the ad hoc off-cycle payroll activities for all reasons except for the advance payments. There's a specific UI theme for the PCC apps to override the default themes for these apps. And there's also an option for the existing PCC customers who are in process management solution. They can use the following reports to migrate the validation rules to the payroll activities as well as to migrate the analytics designer to payroll activities. There's a couple of reports that have been provided in this release. Going to the next slide, there's a custom filter available on the payroll task page. There's a new enhancement. You can save your filter selection in the complete payroll task page using the variant management functionality. There's a prerequisite RBP requirement in order to have this option available. Uh, this option will allow you to save your filter selections within the My Views dialog box on the complete payroll task page. The filter selection can be based on the status, event type, time type, location, department, cost center, and the pay group. Going to the next slide, this is a functionality that's been introduced by which you can now replicate time accounts in weeks to relevant info types and tables in the SAP payroll system. There's a prerequisite where the system should be at support pack, ECP should be at support pack F1 and above. So you can have now time accounts in with the unit of weeks replicated to payroll. Going to the next slide, this is a new enhancement which improves the compliance and streamlines the payroll process by enabling the replication of all time accounts to the SAP payroll system. So now all the permanent time accounts can be uh, replicated to the payroll system. Earlier, it was only available for only ad hoc and recurring time accounts were available to be replicated. There's a prerequisite whereby the payroll system has to be in support pack F1 and above for this functionality to be available. That's all. This concludes the 1H 2025 release for ECP. Thank you.